Hello my dear students and my friends. Now it is 12:56 p.m. So very good afternoon to all of you. Today we shall be discussing about a very rare but very interesting topic on genetics, Kosambi function and the Holden function. Let's start the discussion without wasting time. So all of us have known about the cell division, meiosis, linkage, crossing over. These things are very familiar to you. So the two main fact that you have to understand that when the two chromosomes are there during the meiotic division and there is a crossing over, you know the very simple fact: if the distance between two genes like are very less, so the what will happen if the distance between two genes are very less, they cannot make a crossover in between. So the more the distance, more the amount of crossing over between the two genes. Just to think of this one, like you have 2 points here and here, and if you want to make a cross, so the more the distance, you can make a better cross, otherwise it will superimpose. Another one fact we have to understand before reaching to the Kosambi function, that the linkage is inversely proportional to the crossover recombination. What is the meaning of crossover recombination? In meiotic division, like there is a 50% chance that a next offspring will receive the loci, correct? So now we shall understand the relation between this distance W that has been denoted as a W, gene distance or the map distance. So we can write genetic distance or the map distance denoted by the unit or centimorgan unit. It's equivalent to the million of base pairs, and the theta recombination fraction. So the two major discovery has been done. One of the great Indian mathematician D.D. Kosambi, he is one of the forgotten superstar in the genetics. Kosambi function and very famous Holden, though he was believed to be like a British spy, that is why he converted to the British Indian. So there is a political issues, but Holden is one of the great evolutionary biologist, mathematician. So what he did, first we'll talk about the Holden function. He used a beautiful equation to interrelate this W and theta. So he used a beautiful equation to correlate, to create a relation between the map distance and the recombination fraction, that is W equals to minus of half ln 1 minus 2 theta. That has to be noted down. Minus is used for having the positive value of the W, because you know ln is a log base c, and if you have a negative value after doing ln, so you have to make it positive. Like if you put theta equals to 1 by 4, you will be having some value. You can cross check. You need just a calculator to put the values here. 0.5. So you will get the negative value here. It has to be, you must make it positive. So this is the meaning of the Holden function. So if you put 25% of recombination fraction, you will get the W distance. I have already done this calculation. If you put theta equals to 1 by 4, you will get the W equals to 0.34 unit. So as per the Holden equation, you will get 0.34 unit out of it. But you know, in the like a natural multi-locus genomic, like you are trying to create the map distance, one thing we have to know, the physical distance is not as the crossing over distance. For example, if I say you have a chromosome and the crossover distance between this 9 centimorgan, it is not necessary it is equal to the physical distance. Physical distance could be much more, because there could be some part that is not taking part in the recombination, or that is not part of the chromosome, or that's not a gene. It could be intron part, it could be the junk part, whatever. So the crossing over distance is not at all equals to the physical distance. Correct? We will be talking about that one later. Now the Kosambi function is like this: W equals to plus positive 1 by 4 ln 1 minus 2 theta ln 1 plus 2 theta divided by 1 minus 2 theta. Minus is at the denominator. Now you need not to use any negative symbol, but you can ask me very good question, why you are using sir two different equation for creating genetic or genomic this map distance. It is very important discovery of this Didi Kosambi. Kosambi, he did all the mathematical equation. You need later we can prove this equation. You need a Poisson's distribution concept and the hyperbolic functioning. By those mathematical intricacy, he proved that when there is an interference between the gene, when there is a interference between the genes are interfering, you know that interference mechanism. So if there is a genetic interference, this Kosambi function stands much better than the Holden function. Otherwise, if the genes are not closely located, if the distance is good enough, then you can easily use the Holden function. That is a beautiful function. But if the interference is happening, you must use the Kosambi function. So I have used two different values for like now you can do one thing. If you put ln equals to 0, ln 0, that will show the math error in the like a scientific calculator. You can use ln 0, that will show you the math error. Yes, let me do it. Yes, you can see it. So the math error is coming. That means very important information you have to take, that 1 minus 2 theta here, theta cannot be half, because if the theta is half, you will get the value of it is a 0. So that means this is a take home message, that the theta value is always less than 50%. That is the observable phenomenon. There is a recombination fraction. This one recombination fraction is normally less than 50%. Mathematically it is already you can tell. Now if I put the different values of theta, like in the Kosambi function, if I put theta equals to 1 by 4 and theta equals to like 1 by 3, you can put the different values of the theta over here, and you can see like if theta equals to 25%, we have already calculated this one. So if I put theta equals to 25%, that is equals to 1 by 4, and in one case you put theta equals to 33%, that is 1 by 3, you will get the two different distance. Like here you are getting W1 and you are getting W2, two different map distance in the centimorgan unit we are having. Now tell me, what is the, in which case this W1 and W2 be greater, or W1 is greater than W2, or the reverse is true? You see, theta is a recombination fraction. Here higher the recombination, that means distance is high. So definitely W2 is greater than W1. Because more the map distance, you will be having more recombination. Like you have a two genes here. So more the distance between the two genes, the greater possibility of the like exchange of the gene. So 25% is the recombination fraction, means distance is less than the chances of like where the recombination fraction is 33%. Utility when you are constructing the genomic map and when in the research you have interference phenomenon and the genetic distance is not that much high, you cannot use Holden function, you will get error. In the Wikipedia you can search for the Didi Kosambi, you will get all the details about him, and there is already I have tagged one page in that Wikipedia page, so you will get the research paper of Kosambi and you can read about that one. This is the all about the meaning of the Kosambi function. Thanks for watching.